Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm really excited. I'm going to try something kind of different for me. I love her style. I love the color I chose for her. So today we're going to try a unit from Bobbi Boss. And let me introduce you to Bryony. I absolutely love this sleek style, and I love the way she just goes right around the face. I don't have any units like this though, so this will be my first time trying something. Back in the day we used to call that a page boy, so to try a page boy style, and the color that I chose her in is quite a departure, but it's going to be so much fun. Before I put away the stock card, look at the other lovely specialty colors that she comes in. And she just gradually goes into this beautiful soft pastel pink. The tinted lace here, the combs, in the front, in the back, adjustable straps. Also got some nice interesting little hairs here. Nicely ventilated cap that looks really comfortable, guys. And she has her fair share of baby hairs here. I don't know if it's just me. The older I'm getting, the less likely I am to mess with baby hairs. It might be a very nice addition, but I really like the clean style that you saw on the stock card. So who knows? You know, baby hairs are always a last minute decision with me. Now, this is from the Bobbi Boss Refresh Style collection. Every day, a new day, a new you. She is a premium synthetic with a 4-inch deep part. She has the Flex Fit cap, and she has heat safe styling. To exactly what degree, I'm not sure, but I usually with my synthetics keep it low anyway, so there you go. And hopefully I won't need any heat for this wig. I'm looking for an easy install on this, so I'm going to go ahead and trim this lace and tint it, and we'll be back. So we put just a few baby hairs right here up in the front, just to kind of adhere her in here. And then, you know, and she covers really well around the ear tabs, so I'm not going to worry too much about anchoring that down either. Before I do a spin around on her, you know, when you have a sleek style like this, really want to keep these hairs in place, and I like a glass-like finish to the end of it. So I am going to use the Smooth and Shine Polishing Silk and Sleek. I've had this for quite some time. I love this product. It's a very nice clear gel, and you don't need a lot of it. So it adds an amazing amount of shine while it sleeks those hairs down. Easiest install. And I do thank them for putting the baby hairs in there in case you do want to use them, and especially up there, you know, kind of makes that parting area a little bit more sleek. And as a matter of fact, this install was so easy, there were some things I forgot. Let's take a little cream makeup and let's get this part highlighted just a little bit. easiest install ever. And she is really fun. Now, I gotta be perfectly honest. I think the shape of her is really nice. And the color is pretty. I kind of wish I had gotten her in that tea color like this, only more earthy toned. The color is fine. I will wear this. I will wear this. I have this collection of wigs I kind of call my weekend wigs. And just fun for a Saturday when you're out. Yeah, I could do this then. Out to dinner, that would be fun. But the color is just going to have to grow on me. But overall, as a unit, I think she's really lovely. Really lovely. And let me try this real quick. Let me see if I can, because I didn't do it on the ear tabs. I didn't adhere it to the ear tabs very well. But I like to do this thing with my, there you go. That adds another little styling option that I like. And that way I can have the hair on one side of my face. That I like. All right, guys. Thanks so much for joining me. I so appreciate it. If you haven't already, guys, please subscribe to my channel. And I would love to know how you feel about the color, about the style. I just, again, she has to grow on me a little bit. I like her a lot, but it's just, again, a big departure from what I'm kind of used to. But I really do like her. I may have to get her in that other color, though, that I can wear more often. But I like the color, too. It's just such a departure. But she does come recommended. She is very well made and cut very nicely. And I like the way I can do her on the ear and get kind of a different styling option. But guys, thanks again so much for joining me. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And I want to say thank you to all my subscribers. I'm almost at 100. So if you would please rate, comment, subscribe, and share this video, I would really appreciate it. Guys, thanks so much. Stay blessed.